Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Chase mobile app after authentication errors. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Chase mobile app. If you encounter authentication errors, close the app completely. Restart your mobile device to refresh the system. Once your device is powered back on, tap on the Chase mobile app icon to open it. You will likely see the login screen. Enter your username and password carefully. If you still face authentication errors, select the Forgot Password option. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Check your email or SMS for a verification link or code. Use the link or code to create a new password. Return to the Chase mobile app and log in with your new password. If the issue persists, verify your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to check your authentication method. If you're still unable to log in, consider uninstalling the app. Navigate to your device's App Store to reinstall the Chase mobile app. Once reinstalled, open the app again. Log in with your username and new password. If problems continue, reach out to Chase customer service for further assistance. Make sure to provide them with details of the error messages you received. They will guide you through additional troubleshooting steps. Follow their recommendations to restore your access to the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.